after all the controversy around, is it a shell casing in the marble in the back hallway of the new state capitol in Louisiana that was left there during the shootout with Governor Huey Long's bodyguards and his assassin in the 1930s? Or is it something else? So here is a very close up picture. I went back to the state capitol and I just told the folks there, hey guys, we got a controversy on YouTube. What is this? So I went along with one of the Louisiana State Police guides and talked to the tour guides, and we looked in the hole, and it's not a shell casing. At least it doesn't look like one. It looks more like lead from a bullet. So what do you think? Again, this is the hole in the marble column in the back hallway of the new state capitol in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And there are many bullet holes in that back hallway. As a remembrance, they've left the bullet holes to remind people about what occurred in that hallway in the 1930s when Governor Huey Long was shot and ultimately died from his wounds by an assassin.